You guys are thinking, what? Oil and flour? What are you doing, boy?
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything is edible.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Moss. As you already know, I cook on this channel. Now on the menu for you guys today, I'm going to be making a snack. It involves potato wedges with some mincemeat. Ideally, I saw this video, someone else was making it, but they were making it with actual potatoes, like diced or sliced potatoes. But I thought I'll switch it up a little bit and use potato wedges, as they taste a lot nicer. So without further ado, let's get things going. But make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel at MosToosifar. Follow me on Instagram at MosToosifar as well, and enjoy the show. Okay, what you need to do, get your baking pan. I've bought some potato wedges, right? Get a fair amount in there. Okay, lovely. If we need to, we can always get some more. Do you know what? Let's put a little bit more, just to be on the safe side. All right, there you go. Happy days. That is lovely, that is. Okay, here's what you want to do. I've got the oven on preheat. I'm going to put these bad boys. Have a look at that, they just look nice already, they ain't even cooked. Put it in the oven at 180 for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, that's that. Now we're going to move on with the rest of the stuff. What we've got here is a bit of coriander and spring onions. What I'm going to do, chop these up, put them in a plate. I'll put them in this plate once it's ready. So let's start off with the easy ones first. Chop off the ends. As you don't, I'll start off with one. You might not even need the whole thing. Right. Get rid of that. And then here we go. And that's it. You don't need too much of that because it's quite strong, so that'll be enough. Lovely. Put that all to one side. Make space for your coriander. Now with your coriander, you're going to get a whole bunch and just start dicing it up. Right? What do you guys think? Comment below if you think coriander smells nicer or parsley. Let me know in the comments. Right, that is done. That's going to go on the side of our plate there. Turn that on. Whilst it's on, it's heating up. Add a bit of olive oil. Okay, just a little bit more. Not too much. Right. Get that going. Let's restart. Heat this one up. Put olive oil in there. Happy days, right? All you want to do is quite gently this time get your mince and just put it in there, just like so. Okay? What you want to do is obviously split it apart. Pattern it out, alright? Just pattern it out. Okay? You don't want to add any spices to it yet, but we will in a sec. Okay, how are we looking? That looks amazing, huh? Look at that. Right, now it's time to add our ingredients. We've got still these little red bits here which still need a bit more time to cook, but that's not a problem. These will get cooked as it goes along. So we've still got time. Here, what you need, a bit of black pepper, okay, bit of salt, right, some turmeric, Okay? A tiny, tiny, tiny bit of chili. Now this is extra hot chili. Oh, that's a lot. Like this is extra, super hot, extra chili. So yeah, I don't want to put too much in there, right? That's it. Mix this all up. Once it changes color, the fragrance comes onto the meat, right? You got the salt, the pepper, the turmeric, that chili, that spicy chili. Oh my god! I think a lot went in there, to be honest with you. Like, I know it didn't look a lot on camera, but believe me, that stuff is spicy, man. Like, I'm gonna get hiccups over that. So let's see. Mix it well. Okay. This is pretty much so ready-ish. Right. Let that go. Just do a quick checkup. We are getting there. Just going to turn up a little bit more just to speed that up. Okay. There's that. Now, here's what you want to do. Spring onions. Get in there. Do your thing. Make sure your hands are clean when you're touching food like this, right? What is that? I'm not going to use the whole thing. I'm going to put most of it in, but save some for later. So, pour it in just like so. Right? Look at that. That is absolutely amazing. Don't you agree? Right? Leave that bit to the side. We're going to need that for later for our presentation at the end. Mix this bad boy up. Right? The whole flavors, the whole, oh, that coriander. Oh my god, it's something else, I'm telling you. Have a look at here. What do we have here? Hey? Satellite? Yeah. Have a look at that, ladies and gentlemen. That is way beautiful, I tell ya. Right, don't know, that Cockney accent just comes out of nowhere, you know. But there you go. Right, this is all good. I'm gonna there you go. Take that off the heat. Put this on. Here is some plain flour. That's enough. Okay. What you want to do is just mix it all up. You guys are thinking, what? Oil and flour? What are you doing, boy? Don't worry about that. That's why you're going to watch this video and hopefully learn, right? Hopefully, maybe, I don't know. That's the whole point, I guess, isn't it? Right, you want to get some milk? Pour it in there. Pour a little bit in. You do this 3 times with the milk, right? Just pour a little bit in, mix it up. Once it heats up like that, you want to pour in again. Don't ask me why, just do it. Right? Add a little bit more. Mix it up again. Okay. There's that. Beautiful. One more. Just a little bit more. And that's the third bit, right? You want to turn it down, give yourself some time. Right? Get that bit outside clean. What you want to do is get some cheese for a bit of burger cheese. Right, slices, one of these, some of these. Right, just place them there. As this is coming to a boil, just split it apart, pour it in, and let it just do its thing, you know? Guys, I'm telling you, if you don't have clean hands, don't even bother cooking. Let the cheese melt. Let the cheese melt, and it's gonna be yummy. Now, what you also want to do to this is a bit of black pepper. Okay? Not a lot. Mix it. Right? Turn it down. Doesn't burn up. Okay. Last bit. We've got some Thai. Just get some of the leaves. Right? You don't want no stems in there. So just get some of the leaves. I'll give it a nice touch. Especially with the potato, with the wedges. Oh. Right? Give it a little squeeze as you pour it in. Guys, if you could smell this, right, then you would also be hungry as well. There you have it. If you like the taste or the smell or the fragrance, you can obviously add more depending on how much you enjoy it, how much you like it. What you want to do, give it a little spin, wiggle it about. Right? And there you have it, we are ready. Ladies and gentlemen, we are ready. Let me get rid of this, make some space for the thing that we're going to bring out. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. That is your potato wedges. What you need is a plate. Once you have a plate, you need a spoon, of course. Oh, still hot. Okay. What you want to do is quite simply pour some down into the plate. That's it. There's that. Okay, I'm just going to leave that here. Hopefully it won't drop. Right, you got that? Look at that. Crispy, crispy, lovely. That's absolutely amazing, that is. Now, to top this off, what you need is a bit of paprika. Just go over it on the top. It'll give it that nice orangey look and obviously give it a taste and all. Right? Done. Next, you want to get your meat. Look at that, guys. Can you see this? This is beautiful. Coriander. I keep talking about the coriander, guys. I'm telling you, this stuff is amazing. It smells good. It tastes good. Can you guys see, or am I covering everything up? Can you guys see here? Is it better? Yeah? Just flatten it out a little bit. Right? That's that. Now, what we need is our sauce. Our lovely sauce. Give it another wiggle. Right? Look at that. Pour it all to one side so it's easier to obviously put on the food. There you go. One more scoop. Voila. There you have it. And now, last but least, that fresh fragrance that we got, the coriander, just go on top. Try not to get the stems obviously in there. Right, bit of the leaves. Happy days. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Your potato wedges, your meat, and your sauce on top. A nice little snack, I would say. It's not a main meal, I don't see it as. But there you have it. Bon appetit. Make sure you like, share, comment, and I'll see you in the next video, guys.
Tell me, will you really think it's more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come